Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to make videos. Start your video project in Canva by choosing from hundreds of pre-designed templates or a blank canvas. This gives you a fantastic foundation. Next, easily upload your own video clips, photos, and audio directly into your project. You can also explore Canva's vast collection of millions of stock videos, images, and music tracks to enhance your creation. It's incredibly simple to get all your elements in one place. Once your media is in place, it's time to edit. You can easily trim and split video clips to achieve perfect timing, ensuring every moment counts. Add engaging text overlays, dynamic graphics, and fun animated elements to make your message pop. Don't forget to incorporate smooth transitions between your scenes for a polished and professional look. Canva makes customization intuitive and fun. Audio is crucial for a great video. You can add background music from Canva's extensive library or upload your own custom tracks. Easily adjust the volume for each individual clip and the overall soundtrack to ensure perfect balance. Experiment with different video effects and filters to create a specific mood or style, giving your video a unique and professional touch. After perfecting your video, it's time to share it with the world. Download your final creation in high-definition MP4 format, ensuring excellent quality. You can also share your video directly to popular social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok with just a few clicks. For team projects, easily share your Canva project link for seamless collaboration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.